What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, we're going to talk about how to dress business casual. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap that notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like Frederick Calabrese, salute. Now, hands down, one of the questions I get over and over on this channel is how to do business casual correctly. So you guys requested, here it is. So in today's video, what I'm going to do is break down some of the do's and don'ts in business casual and give you 4 looks in the lookbook that you can use to know you're doing business casual correctly. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, first up, let's get a couple of the don'ts out of the way. Now, here's how I want you to think about it. It's business casual. Business comes first. So what you're doing is dressing down usual business attire. You're not trying to dress up your casual wear. So a couple of do's and don'ts I want you to think about. First of all, no t-shirts, no jeans, and sneakers. Even if your work environment lets you do that, think about work or business this way. You're trying to get ahead, not get over or get by. Just because your work environment lets you wear jeans, t-shirts, and sneakers, don't do it. Do some of the things I'm about to show you. Take, for instance, this guy. Looks pretty sharp, right? Even though he has jeans. The thing about it, I say you can wear these outfits on a nice date, out at the club or the bar, or to a party, but not at work. They're still jeans. You want people to take you serious in a business situation. Jeans, no matter how dark or well cut, do not connotate seriousness or business. But in addition to that, business casual is not fully suited and booted. It is business taken down a notch. So without further ado, I want to get into about 4 different lookbooks, 4 different looks that'll show you how to pull off business casual the right way. Starting with our first look. Our first look, I like to call this random or odd blazer. What that means, you take a suit jacket or a blazer, but don't do it fully and suited and booted. You use other pants instead of the suit. As you can see here, I've got my nice brown tweed blazer paired with some great wool herringbone trousers. And for the shoes, we got my wingtips. Nice white dress shirt and a blue tie. What you have here is a very well put together business casual look. One step below suited and booted, but you're still turning heads at work. Now for our second look, we have one of my favorite looks when your outfit is even a little bit more casual. As you can see here, I like to call this shirt and pants. The great thing about this one, a nice dress shirt paired with some chinos and a pair of loafers. Very, very well put together, business casual, but you don't come off stuffy. Now one of the key differences here on how I would rock it, I'm wearing it with the tie. As an older guy, I like to add a little more youthfulness. The tie makes this look a little more youthful. If you're a younger guy, it actually looks better without the tie. As you can see here, like I said, we've got my stone chinos, a great gingham plaid dress shirt, button down, and a blue tie. On top of that, a pair of nice black loafers, very important with business casual. Shoes you want to rock in business casual situations, wingtips, loafers, dress boots, things of that nature. Got business casual covered head to toe. Now for our third look, we're going back to the dressier side, when your office is much more business and not casual. The best way to pull it off, throw on that suit and tie and just lose the tie. As you can see here, we have one of my favorite suits that I love to rock, my gray flannel window pane, but with a nice button-up shirt underneath without the tie. Then of course, your most versatile business casual shoes, my favorite brown wingtips. So when you're trying to do a business casual, but you're leaning way more towards the business side, definitely go ahead and rock that suit without the tie. Now for our 4th and final look of the day, let's talk about the one I have on right now. I like to call this sweater and tie. Now the great thing about this, a sweater can come off a little too casual. Adding the tie underneath gives a little bit of oomph. And when you pair it with your dress pants, when you do the sweater look, you definitely want to do it with the dress pants. Chinos in a sweater can kind of come off almost too casual. So to be on the safe side, when I do the sweater and the tie look, I always rock some dress pants. As you can see here, I got my navy suit pants for my navy suit, a nice green V-neck, light blue dress shirt, and my blue tie, one of my favorite ties. All together, you got another great business casual look with a sweater almost substitute for the blazer. Okay, so there you have it. My guide on how to properly pull off business casual. Let me know in the comment section which look you rock when you're doing your business casual looks. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. It helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.